Hi, and welcome back to the building site. Like you might see from the background, again a little progress has been made. The weather this week has been very favorable to us, and pretty much all the frame assembly has been done during this week. Okay, so if we've been able to build up the assembly of the frame up till this point during this week, what have we done for the past 2 or 3 weeks? Well, obviously we've been doing the little finalizing work on the groundworks, but we had to wait for a little while for the building permits to finalize, and we're good in many things, but waiting is definitely not one of them. Well, we finally got the green light, which we're very relieved about, and well, we basically rolled the sleeves and got to work during this week, and this is what we've been able to do during this week. So, very happy with the progress. Hopefully the weather stays good and we can keep working with the assembly without any setbacks. All the frame elements are just lifted in place and then bolted down, so the assembly is pretty straightforward, especially that we have rather good equipment inside, which helps us in the lifting and holding it down or holding it in place so we can bolt it down. On Monday, the concrete truck comes again to the yard, and we put the root casting. So basically we just put some concrete on the bottom of the pillars to keep them in place and make the foundation for the plinths. So the little concrete blocks that comes to the bottom of the wall, so the wall panels will be installed on top of the plinths. So this all happens next week. Hopefully, like I already mentioned, the assembly crew who assembles the roof and the wall panels also, hopefully during next Wednesday or something, they come into the yard and they start working on that one. But I think that's all for this time. Thank you again for watching. Until next time.